Ungqongqoshe ehhovisini likaMengameli uthi ikhabhinethi lisiqaphele isinqumo seMelika sokufuna ukuvalela iNingizimu Afrika ngaphandle engqungqutheleni elandelayo ye-G20 ezobanjelwa eMiami.
While this development is regrettable, as a founding member, South Africa's commitment to the G20 principles and collaborative framework remain unwavering.
Kusenjalo, ikhabhinethi lithi liyazemukela izibalo ezidalelwe uMnyango Wamaphoyisa nezikhombisa ukuthi lehlile izinga lobugebengu esigameni sesibili sonyaka.
Cabinet commended law enforcement agencies for the continuing hard work against crime and calls upon society to join the fight against crime.
Ikhabhinethi liyalele ukuthi kube nohlelo oluzoletha uzinzo esikhwameni esilekelela abafundi ngemali, i-NSFAS.
Cabinet acknowledged the systematic challenges that have undermined the stability and credibility of the scheme and endorsed the implementation of agent stabilization measures, including strengthening governance and IT systems and improving disbursement mechanisms.
uNtshabeni unxuse abantu bakulelizwe ukuthi beqikelele ukuthi baphephile njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi beye ezindaweni ezehlukene ukuyosijabulisa ngamaholide asehlobo.